In this video, I'll show you how to wire transfer from a Wells Fargo account, step by step, using the Wells Fargo mobile app. To begin, open the Wells Fargo app on your phone and log in using your username and password. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Pay and Transfer tab to access money movement options. From there, select the option that says Wire Money. This is where you can send a wire transfer directly from your Wells Fargo account. The next step is to add a recipient. You'll first be asked to choose where the recipient's bank is located, so select the country, such as the United States if it's a domestic wire. After that, choose the type of recipient account, whether it's an individual personal account or a business account. Now enter the recipient's first and last name, exactly as it appears on their bank account. After that, input the bank's routing number. Once you've entered the routing number, tap on Verify Bank Name to make sure the banking details are correct. Then tap Continue to move forward. Next, you'll choose which of your Wells Fargo accounts you want to send the money from. For most people, this will be a checking account, but you can select whichever eligible account you prefer. Enter the amount you want to wire transfer. If you want, you can also add a short message or note for the recipient's bank, but this step is optional, so you can skip it and continue. After that, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's bank account number. Carefully type it in, double-check for accuracy, and then tap Continue. You may also be given the option to add a nickname for this recipient to make future transfers easier, but this is optional and can be skipped. Now you'll need to enter the recipient's address details, including their street address, city, state, and country. Once all the required fields are filled in, tap Continue again. Wells Fargo will then ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. A verification code will be sent to your registered phone number or email address. Enter that code on the screen and tap Submit. Finally, you'll see a full summary of the wire transfer. Take a moment to carefully review all the details, including the recipient information, amount, and fees if any. When everything looks correct, tap on Send Wire to complete the transaction. Once submitted, your wire transfer from your Wells Fargo account will be processed successfully.